Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain the concept of sorting. So I will cover these topics: definition for sorting, next what is the purpose of sorting, next classification and various types of sorting techniques. Okay, so the first one is definition. This is the Wikipedia definition. As we all know, it is a process of arranging items in systematic order. Either it can be in increasing or decreasing order. Increasing means numbers from 1 to so on, and decreasing means the last number to the first number. Okay, now this is about sorting. What is the need of this sorting? For example, consider a dictionary. All the words in the dictionary are sorted in alphabetical order. What if they are not sorted? It will be very clumsy and time taking to search for the meaning of a particular word. For example, consider these cards. Someone has given us these cards and asked us to memorize the numbers inside the cards. It is bit hard for us to memorize if the cards are in random order. For suppose if we have sorted them according to their numbers, like this, it will be very easy for us to memorize. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. It will be very easy for us to memorize. So here also we are using the concept of sorting. Coming to classification, all the sorting techniques are classified or divided based on these 4 categories. First one is time complexity, next space complexity, based on the external or internal memory, and stability. So if we want to talk about time complexity means the amount of time taken to execute a particular program. Based on the different types of sorting techniques, some sorting techniques may take less time and some sorting techniques may take more time. The next one is space complexity. Space complexity means the amount of space or memory required to store a particular program. So based on this category, the sorting techniques are being classified. The next classification is external or internal memory. Internal memory or internal sorting means the entire sorting technique or the sorting methodology is being performed inside the RAM, inside the main memory. So that is internal sorting. Next one is external sorting. For suppose if the data being sorted do not fit into the main memory of a computing device, usually our main memory, then we will go for external sorting. The next category is stability. Consider a set of cards in random order. If you observe, there are 2 cards with same value but with different signs. If we sort them in increasing order, then the output will be like this. In the output, 2 similar cards appear in the same order as in the initial set of cards. This is called as stability. If that sorting algorithm doesn't bother about the relative positions, then this is called as instability. Here this algorithm is unstable. Okay. So based on this stability, some sorting algorithms has been classified. The next one is types of sorting techniques. These are the various types of sorting techniques. The first one is bubble sort, second insertion, third selection, next quick sort, bucket sort and heap sort. All these sorting techniques I will discuss in the next videos. Thank you.